Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can find the forgotten Wi-Fi password with your Google Pixel 4 or 4 XL. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top with two fingers and then tap on the settings icon. Next, tap on network and internet. Then tap on internet at the top. Next, tap on the connected Wi-Fi connection and then tap on share. Now you need to put in the screen pin, so put in the screen pin and tap on next. And in here you should be able to find your Wi-Fi password at the bottom right here. And that is how you can discover or find the forgotten Wi-Fi password on your Google Pixel 4 or 4 XL. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.